Gita it's like this distilled gem that really summarizes or encapsulates the wisdom of the Upanishads. It sits within the Mahabharata, the great epic war poem from India. So we have a story, we have more words, and the backdrop is that there is a civil war happening. We have Arjuna, who is the warrior, who is the stand-in for you and me, talking to Krishna, who is God, although we're not going to realize he's God until chapter 11 of the book. Today it's just chapter 1, and Krishna, I don't believe, says anything in this first chapter. At the moment, Arjuna thinks that Krishna, his charioteer, well, he knows Krishna very well, but as like an uncle or a tutor or a teacher who's been with him his whole life. Little does he know, this great mentor, uncle, teacher in his life is actually an incarnation of Vishnu, the Hindu god, who comes down to earth when there's crises happening and has done that before.